Welcome to the channel HTML5 Dev. In this video, I cover how I set up auto redirection back to the WooCommerce shop after a successful PayPal payment with PayPal Sandbox. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the problem. I am logged in as a customer and this is my shop, tiny little shop, and this is the back end. I am connected. Just to go backwards a little, let's go back to payment. It's just nothing but PayPal standard setup, manage, and I have my links here. And also always remember, once you have your IPN set, if you don't put this receiver email on, then none of the WooCommerce hooks will work. Okay, so and this is all the API setup from this PayPal Sandbox account. Everything is connected. I have my IPN set up and everything. And in one of my videos, previous videos, you can go take a look how to set up the IPN. I show all the details. So now let's see the issue here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try to perform and always remember this is the logged out, logged out. That means I'm already logged in. What happens is after transaction, it comes to the order, but it logs me out. So let's see what the issue is. View cart. Everything looks good. Proceed to checkout. Since I'm logged in, all the information filled in. Proceed to PayPal. All right. So this is the personal account that I use that to pay. This is the customer side. So I have it set up. And also I check that in so that next time I don't have to log back in. All right, so let's pay. All right, so everything looks good here, but when I return to merchant, order is received, everything's details are here, but I am logged out. Look, it's logged in. So I am no longer able to access my own stuff, that I have to re-log in. So this becomes a big problem, because once I pay something, I have to come back and I should be able to do other things, right? So next I will show how I resolve this issue. Okay, so this is where we left off. Now the thing is, with the issue that I found was that one setup was missing from my account, from my, let's say, just to get it ready for the next time, we're just gonna go ahead and log back in. So our objective is, once we make this payment and then we finish the payment, it should come back and we will see logged out in here. That means we will stay logged in, right? So that's the target. So to do that, let's go to my sandbox and go to these settings. All right, so just to quickly show how the IPN was set up in this, notification and instant payment notification IPN, update, and this is the URL that I set. And this is collected from the WooCommerce website, the extra, that my website, then question mark, and this extra line you add for make it WooCommerce compatible. So this, because of this, we receive all the answers, right? So, but something additional that I have to do to resolve my current problem, let's go back, is that I have to set up my post order come back to the website. So I go to website payment and website preference here, update. This part is the one what I was missing. Auto return, right? If you have it turned off, it logs you out and stays out there, just like what you saw happen. So what we have to do is just turn that back on, and basically we have to add this line, my website my website URL /checkout/order received and /UTM underscore no override equals 1. So this is optional. Oh, just a quick note that this part here, it's not really essential at all. This is for Google Analytics. So let's save it. So once this is saved, now let's go try our transaction again. All right, so we are back at our store, and as you can see, we are still, see the logout sign. That means we are logged in. And here's another test I performed before, which shows that I am currently logged in as Moose1. That's, those are some other test stuff that I did, but this is the proof that I'm currently logged in. And what's supposed to happen once this transaction goes through, we should still come back here and find ourselves to be logged in, right? So let's perform the transaction. Add to cart, view cart. Everything looks right. Let's go check out. All the info is filled in. Likewise, now let's go to PayPal. Usually it's a lot slower when it's sandbox. So we are here, and now let's go pay. Now we have a different screen, and it should be taking us back to our original site, and it brings us back, and we are still seeing the logout, which means if we just prove, like we click here to make sure that we're still logged in, and this just happened because we just changed our setup at the back end. We went to the website preference and then set the whole URL /checkout/order received and the rest, which is optional, and saved it and redid the transaction, and it was successful this time. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.